It's Friday, April 29th. It's after work. We're getting ready to go out one of those quantity over quality beaches.
No,
Actually, quality over quantity beaches. My brain almost had it right.
It's okay. It's been a long day and a long week.
Actually, it was a pretty easy day. I worked outside today, but it was an easy day.
Well, that's what sunburn does to you sometimes.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yes.
Yes. It's not my dementia.
No.
So, we're not going to find much, but in all likelihood. But we have a chance of finding something good.
Mm-hmm.
We even have a chance of finding something old here. So, yes.
Older than us.
Like older, like Spanish.
Ooh.
Yep. So, slim possibility since beach replenishment, but it's a possibility nonetheless.
We'll see what happens.
Let's go. We'll go get them. Bye-bye. First signal, 21.22, and I got a penny.
All right, first target. I found a key.
25 to 29, way down deep. Let's take a look at it. Yep, there's a scoop. All right, we got our first quarter. That's nice. That was a nice deep quarter. Let's keep going. Hey guys, this is a classic 20 signal here. In the upper slope here, where bulldozers have moved a lot of sand. Wind's really ferocious. It was blowing really hard this day, even though it was a nice day on the beach. Right here, you're going to see that this is a green penny. You're going to see that's from the copper leaching out. Turns out it's a weedy. Couldn't get the date off of it, but it's nice seeing an old penny come out of the sand that's been bulldozed.
Washed up on the beach. Some type of string of beads with some metal in it. Let's find out. Beads and little flowers, blingy blings. That's really pretty.
High up against the dune. Kathy's working right down here along the water. Beautiful right now. It's cold earlier today, but Kathy got like a little necklace, and I've got a few coins. So far, not too bad for a little quiet place like this. But hopefully we'll pull something good. All right, let's go. All right, guys. $23, $24, up to $25. Got it in a scoop. Okay, it's right over here someplace. Let's see if I can pick it up. Up there it is. Alrighty. Yeah, we got ourselves a dime.
There we go. $29.30. Check it. Yeah, I pushed it. Of course I did. It's probably on its side now. Okay, I think I got it out with the ground now. What do we got here? Nope, that's sand. What do we got? Anything? Yeah. There we go. It's a coin. I think I say George Washington on it. It's pretty green.
Guys, I'm running against pilings here. I got a signal, but I also think I see something. So I'll go down and pick up what I see first. Yep, I got a dime right here. Just sitting on the surface. Now let's see if I get anything else in here. Yep, I got another signal in here. That's what I thought. I thought the signal was a little far away from that dime. Let's see if I can pull it out of here. Yeah, I got something right here. Looks like a... Nah, that's paper. That's not it. Okay, let's keep trying. I'll get rid of that paper somehow. Okay, let's go down here with my pinpointer. There it is. All right, we got another dime. Take that 28 signal up here. I don't think it's very deep. Let's see if we can get it with the pinpointer. I guess it's deeper than I thought. There it is. All right, there it is. We got ourselves a quarter. 1994.
9. Hard to tell exactly how deep it is. It could be aluminum foil, but it's a solid 9, so let's come back when I get it out. All right, I see a 2-hole button. At least it looks like a 2-hole button. There it is right there. That's my 9. Very nice.
Okay, here's the 20 signal I just threw out. There it is. And there's a copper penny.
Okay, I don't know if you could see it, but I'll try and focus in on it later. Unfortunately, he's moving out farther away. There is a bald eagle skimming, well, not skimming, but swimming over the ocean, looking for some fish to eat. Oh, he comes in closer. There he is. Got him. There he is. I got him now.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-huh. I hope it's clear enough that you can see it. Bald eagle just perched on somebody's roof. So cool.
Just got a little 8-9 signal. And I pulled out here. It looks like it's a snap button. Almost looks like it might even be a tire to a toy car, but it's kind of interesting. Let's go.
All right, so the bald eagle's back over the ocean, and he's being dive bombed by a smaller bird. Eagle's back over the ocean. And he's being dive bombed by other birds.
18-19 signal. And it's a big bass lure. Or a bass lure. Hook's gone on it. Kind of neat though. 21 signal. Got it in a scoop. And we're sitting here watching the bald eagle fight with the ospreys. Bald eagles try to dive in on the bunker, but the ospreys were having no part of it. So they were diving bomb, and the eagle trying to chase them away, which they did. That was a penny, by the way. 17 signal here. Hoping it's something good. In the scoop. That's a coin. Yep, just a beat up zinking. Darn it. A lot of times signals in that number come in as jewelry. Oh well. 9 signal here. I just pulled it up. It's just a zipper.
All right, I'm going to do my best to get this before the tide comes in and gets me. I got a 17. It's mid-depth. Let's find out what we get. Pick it up. Oh, it's in the scoop maybe. One scoop. Let's see, what do we get? What do we get? And this 17. I think I hear something rattling around in the bottom. Side stones. Oh, here we go. There we go. Hey, zinkin'.
A little crab here. He's kind of a little dried out. It's kind of cool, huh? Put him back there. That's cool. There's a pretty little turkey wing shell. And a little snail right there. Kind of nice, some nice shells.
It's a quarter. At least I think it's a quarter. It's George Washington. Ohio.
It's actually bouncing around. I'm getting a little bit of iron. I'm not sure what this is. Started off good, now it's bouncing around like crazy. See if I got it in the scoop. There it is. Popped right on out. And this is a 1983 quarter, I believe. That's what that is. Yep, 83, 84. All right. That's kind of cool. Another eagle back. Let's keep going. Like an 18, 19 signal. I just pulled this up. Looks ornamental. Not sure if this is like off a bracelet or something. All right, let's keep going. 9. See if I got myself a quarter or not. Pushing it around. Ooh, this one's shiny. Maryland. All right. Hey guys. Surface penny. That's cool.
All right. It's a 28.29, but it's deep. I see a coin in the scoop. There we go. It's something crusty. I don't know. There's an eagle. Eagleback quarter. Can't tell a year on it, but it's pretty shot, so we'll figure it out. Okay, just found a washer. 13 with an iron grunt. All right, I'm on a 12-13, practically under the boardwalk. There you go. Let's find out what I get. Okay, I see something shiny in the sand. And it's unfortunately a cap. It says shake well before drinking. Rats, it's not a nickel.
Hey guys, eagles right around the corner here. See if we can get a nice close picture of them. There he is. Just there looking at us. I don't know if he's got a fish or not. Big, beautiful eagle. All right, I'm leaving him alone. I want to disturb him if he's eating. Where does I see an eagle? That close, amazing. Hey guys, how you doing? We're going to do a wrap-up, as always.
Of our hunt from yesterday.
Which was
April
Friday.
29th, Friday.
April 29th, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fun hunt, nice quiet section of beach.
We went to a beach that not a whole lot of detectorists go to.
Yep, it was nice
At least that's what.
see the eagles and ospreys fight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That was kind of neat.
And then fishing and, you know.
It was a place we're
getting
going
there
to go back in the summer and look for fresh drops. Cause,
yes.
You know, it's a money area. So.
Yes, it is, exactly.
But,
Yep.
We had lots of fun.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a club hunt this weekend.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yep,
tomorrow.
might get together with friends.
Sunday, tomorrow.
And we'll show you the board.
Yeah.
Kathy, you want to show us some of the things we got here?
Yeah, sure. I don't have Woody to help today. But
Yeah,
that's okay. I don't need Woody today.
Darn.
Darn.
Let's see up top
I
there.
can use the fish instead.
Yeah,
No, I won't
It's
use
just
it.
kind of yucky.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Ready?
Ready? Go ahead. With the junk first. That's not junk.
Nope, that's
Put that in my pocket. That's a loop. Loopity loopity loop. Take a look at the dates on things and such. But yeah, the usual pull tabs and bottle, aluminum covers. And
trying to figure out if that's like a bead or something.
I don't think so.
Isn't that weird? It's not, I don't think it's a copper fitting for threading.
It's a possibility. It's a copper fitting.
But the hex shape, I never seen pipe like that. So.
It might not be for.
Well, it might be for like ornamentals,
Ornamental electronics, electricals.
Yeah,
That's
maybe
my
maybe like it's in a lamp as a spacer or something like that. Spacer
I
bead.
don't know. It's possible.
Yeah.
Anything's possible.
Got my little turkey wing there. Got a bunch of little garbage in here.
Yeah.
Garbage,
Doggy's
little
ball,
piece of
vegetables,
copper there.
Yep.
A fish.
Yep.
The usual junk.
Yep. Exactly.
Down below. And this is Kathy's couple finds here.
Yeah.
She's got a cool key.
Yep.
And I forget what you unlocked, but we'll have to call Meryl.
I believe that keys unlock cheesecake.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Oh no.
You don't know you want cheesecake.
Awful.
Yes.
I like cheesecake.
And she got a little necklace here.
Yep. Looks like it was tied around the neck. That's a choker.
Yep, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, but it's older because the beads and the blingy blingies are all washed off.
Kathy got this here. Looks like a little two-hole button, maybe.
That's what it looks like to me.
Maybe like an underwear button or something, like a part of an underwear button.
It's got two square holes in it, so.
But that definitely looks older.
Yep.
And then we got 8 quarters.
Yeah, $2.
Yeah.
50 cents.
4 dimes. None of them are silver, even though some of them are darker.
Oh, that's how.
We got a, you know, bunch of pennies.
Yep.
And then the one green coin I pulled out, it's a weedy. I can't read the year on it though.
Oh, okay.
There's the front side. And here's the back side here. You can feel a little card. You can see that 1 cent there.
Cool.
And a little weed on the outside. So we got some older things because they're bulldozing, moving sand around.
Yeah.
And that's what happens. Yeah, you get that stuff. So.
The end of April, the end of May, and have only how many days until it's really, really fresh drop season?
Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah.
Yay.
Well, that's good. Your ring you got the other day was a fresh drop, so.
The ring I got the other day. Yeah,
Yeah.
but that's because of the particular beach that we were
Yeah,
at.
exactly, because there's people on that
But,
beach.
the
Yeah.
rest of the beaches around here
They're still dead.
are,
Yeah.
yes, yeah. People aren't going to them.
You guys have been doing good down south. I know that the storms have kicked some stuff up, and you're getting those right places where storms have moved it just right. We were at the beach the other day, and a lot of stuff was moved. But
Yes. Yes.
but we're happy with things.
Yeah, exactly.
This place, the sand wasn't moved much, but that's okay. We still had a good time. So.
And we were also there at high tide. So,
Yeah, exactly. They were at time, so
yeah,
we were wrong tide.
Yep.
But that's okay. You hunt when you can hunt. So.
exactly.
All right, everybody. We'll see you soon on our next hunt.
Yep.
And
Have a good rest of the week. And
fingers crossed we'll get something good. Thanks,
We
guys.
will.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.